Hello, everyone. My name is Genevieve. I will be one of your MCs for the afternoon. And this is Abigna. She'll be demonstrating some expressions for you so it's easier to follow along in the dances. To open today's recital, we invoke the blessings of the beloved Lord Ganesha, revered as the remover of obstacles, the Lord of wisdom, and the patron of the arts. The piece, Anandanartana, presents a vision of Lord Ganesha in his divine splendor, embodying pure consciousness and radiant energy. Ganesha resides in the Muladhara Chakra, the root of stability and strength, connecting us all to the earth. His form is both beautiful and powerful, with the face of a noble elephant, symbolizing wisdom and innocence. As he dances, the celestial Gandharvas sing his praises, accompanied by the melodic strains of the veena, the steady beat of drums, and the chime of sacred bells. He is adorned in a garment that glows like pure gold, shimmering with an emerald hue that reflects his divine aura. This image of Lord Ganesha reveals his compassionate and generous nature. As he moves, his dance symbolizes the harmony between strength and grace, wisdom and joy. May his blessings fill this space with peace and positivity as we begin our journey into dance. May he clear the path for our hearts to open and our spirits to soar through this art form. The composer for this song is Uttukadu Venkata Subbayar. The ragam is Natai, Thalam is Adi, and the dance choreography was done by Guru Sri Devi Yadlapati.
Takum tadi takum takum tadi takita dikita tum kita nam kita tum takum tadi takum takum tadi takita dikita Tum kita, nam kita, kum, takum, tadi takum, takum, tak kita, tik kita, tum kita, nam kita, kum, takum, tadi takum, takum, tak kita, tik kita, tum kita, nam kita, kum, takum, tadi takum, takum, tating kita, tum, tating kita, tum, tating kita, tum. Natum, dingi natum, dingi natum, ke natum, ke natum, ke natum.
Anandana tana ganavatim bhavaye. Anandana tana ganavatim bhavaye. Anandana tana ganavatim
Kita tak kita tak kita tak kita tak kita tating kita tum tating tak tum tating kita kita tum.
Anandana tana ganavatim bhavaye. Sadanandana tana ganavatim bhavaye.
ಕಿಟ ತುಂ ತಾಂ 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 ತಕ ತತಿ ಕಿಟ ತುಂ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ತಕ ದಿಗ ತತಿ ಕಿಟ ತುಂ
ಪರಮಾನಂದ ನಟನ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಾವಯೇ ಆನಂದ ನಟನ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಾವಯೇ ಚಿದಾಕಾರ ಮೂಲಾಧಾರ ಓಂಕಾರ ಗಜವದನಂ ಪರಮ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ನಟನ ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಾವಯೇ ಭಾವಯೇ ಸಾನಂದ ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಗಣನುತ ಶಿವ ಶಂಕರಿ ಮಾನಸ ವಿಲೀನ ಮಾನಂ ಸಾನಂದ ಮುನೀಂದ್ರ ಗಣನುತ ಶಿವ ಶಂಕರಿ ಮಾನಸ ವಿಲೀನ ಮಾನಂ ತಂತ್ರೀಲಯ ಸಮನ್ವಿತ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಚಾರಣವರಾನುಧೇಯಮಾನಂ ತಂತ್ರೀಲಯ ಸಮನ್ವಿತ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಚಾರಣವರಾನುಗೇಯಮಾನಂ ದೀನ ಜನಮಲ್ದಾರಂ ಅನುಪಮ ದಿವ್ಯ ಕಳೇವರ ಶೋಭಾಯಮಾನಂ ದೀನ ಜನಮಲ್ದಾರಂ ಅನುಪಮ ದಿವ್ಯ ಕಳೇವರ ಶೋಭಾಯಮಾನಂ ಭಾಸಮಾನಂ ಅಸಮಾನಂ ಭಜಮಾನಂ ಭಕ್ತಜನದಂ ಮಾನಂ ಭಾಸಮಾನಂ ಅಸಮಾನಂ ಭಜಮಾನಂ ಭಕ್ತಜನದಂ ಮಾನಂ ಪಾಮಗಮಾರಿ ಸನಿ ಸರಿದ ಸಕರಣ ತುಂದಿಮಿತ ಪಪಮಗಮಾರಿ ಸನಿ ಸರಿದ ಸಕರಣ ತುಂದಿಮಿತ ಗಿಡದಳಂ ಕುತಕ ಧೀಮಿತ ಧೀಮಿತ ತೋ ತೈಯಗಾಮು ಧೀಮಿತ ಧೀಮಿತ ತೋ ತೈಯಗಾಮು ತಾತ ಕುಂತರಿತ ತಕದಣಂ ದಣಂ ದರಿರೈ ತಾತ ಕುಂತರಿತ ತಕದಣಂ ದಣಂ ದರಿರೈ ತಾತ ಕುಂತರಿತ ತಕದಣಂ ದಣಂ ದರಿರೈ ತಾದಣಂ ದರಿ ದಣಂ ದಣಂ ದರಿ 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 ಧಿಮಿ 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 ಕೀಟ 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 ಝಣು 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 ವಿಧಿ ಪದಿ ನುತಂ ಪದ ಸರಸಿಜಂ ಮಗ ಪಮನಿಪ ಮರ ಕದ ನಿಭಂ ಮದ ಕರಿ ಮುಖಂ ಪ್ರಣ